What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another video. Today's video is going to be just a quick video to show you exactly the type of trades that I'm jumping in and the type of setups and everything. Excuse my daughter in the background; she likes to holler and things. But you can see I just got an alert from my super trend on the 1 minute saying that Euro USD has changed directions. Euro USD was in an uptrend. You can see it was in an uptrend here off the stochastics, is the purple line. It was in an uptrend. It started here, but it's starting to retrace on the 1 minute, and it's going to fall. If you can notice here, if I pull out, the moving averages just crossed not too long ago, and we're supposed to be getting ready for somewhat of a downtrend. I'm expecting this stochastic to come about to the 50 maybe ish, maybe the 30, and start panhandling back down. Right now we should be a little negative 30 something dollars, negative $22. I'm on a demo account because I am testing strategies and making sure that everything is accurate the way that they seem. Okay, so like I said, we can stay in that screen. We can stay on this screen right here. Let's do that. Let's back out. We on the minute 15 on the Euro USD. You can see that price came here and it crossed up. And once it crossed up, it did its due. It did a little this motion of the bar. Let me see. Mark it on here for you. This motion right here is called range. Alright. Want to zoom in. This motion here is called range. You can see that the bar has made it most to try to pass right there, and then for the lower bar it has made its most to try to pass there. Alright, so we can get that off the screen. You can now see that price came up from here, alright, into its high. This is a daily high. This is why it can't break. This is a strong resistance point. Alright, price is probably going to touch this line about one more time. So what I would do is I probably would put stop losses right above that level, right here at the 1810, 1800 level. I like to keep it, whatever line you see here, that's the line I want to put it. So 1800, 18,000. That's where my stop loss would be, and then my potential take profit would be the next first level of resistance that happened. All right, you see that price came from here, it crossed, and then it had this little resistance here before coming up and coming back into this zone. So I think that 17 right here, 17.7535 is a good zone for take profits. And I'll mark that area right now. Give me a minute. Zone. We want the horizontal line, and I think that that is a good zone right there. I think that is a good zone for take profit, and I think price is going to, like I said, price is going to try to touch this line here before coming back down. All right, price is easily in the uptrend. You can see that here. Stochastic and RSI shot up about the same time. It's going up. Price, I'm probably negative 30 something dollars, but price has got to fall. And just to go back in time, you excuse my daughter in the background. Go back in time and you can see that that's a strong resistance level where price has fell to and where my trade level is currently at. Alright, that's a strong resistance level there. Oops. That to be back down there. So yeah, like I said, price gonna fall. It's gonna come back down them 50, 60 bucks. Alright, 70 bucks. Price gonna shoot up. It's gonna do what it's due. I'm gonna put my stop loss like I said, right at the 1800 mark. So let's go ahead and go in here and edit this trade. 17, we're gonna do 1800. Oh, I'm sorry. 17, we're gonna do 1800. No connection. All right, give me a minute. I don't know what happened. All right, 1800. One. I just want to make sure that my level is set. 1800. Boom, boom. Level is set, and you can see on the 1 minute, price is overbought. All right, like I said, I actually got this signal from the 1 minute chart stating that price was going to right where it was. I got a trend change here, price change directions, and it came down to this level. And then right then and there, I should have put a buy, and I would have caught all these pips, and I'd have been up X amount of dollars on what's called it. But you can see, this is what I want you to see. Price is already in an oversold area, overbought area, and as you can see, getting higher. The momentum of the trades are starting to wick, meaning the momentum of the price is getting weaker. All right, you can come into the 5 minute and you can confirm that. 5 minute, there was a good price push from here, from this area. Like I said, the bottom of this box, price came down. Price is going to try to touch this zone here before it falls heavy back under. All right, you can see that price is now in the it's in the oversold territory, but it has to go up. And if you can tell, the stochastic is already there, meaning that price is about to come down. All right, it's coming down. If I zoom out, you can see price is about to come down for a little piece. All right, and we trying to catch that. I'm probably take some profits. Excuse me. Probably take some profits. Who knows? But like I said, I'm waiting to see if it comes to that line. It can come to that line, and that'd be great. All right. Let's go to the H1. See what's going on in the H1 time frame. Like I said, you can see that the H1. Zoom out. Let's bring it over more this way, because price moves with time. Time moves sideways. See that H1 has been in range. It's been in range for some hours now. Price is where it is currently. You can see on the H1, price isn't in the oversold area, but the stochastic has that price is about to take his plunge on the H1. So we just, like I said, we're just waiting to see what price does. All right, price can come right back to that line. Let me see. Price can come right back to the top of this wick here, and then it can fall, or it can go. It can exceed that wick. It can do whatever it wants. But I have a prediction that the Euro USD is going to fall. And if you don't believe me, let's look at our potential profits and see what the level is. See how we was at 70 something dollars. It came down. It's at $22. It's going to continue to come down. It's going to continue to come down. Right? It's going to continue to come down. If it shoot up, do what it do. But this is a demo account, and I'm just testing strategies. Okay? I got the cross on the 1 hour. I am going to hold the 1 hour position, and I am going to let it go, and boom. So I guess I'll just pause this, and I'll play it when we gotta move. I'll let you know. Alright, no major moves happened, but I forgot. I wanted to come in here and I wanted to draw a trend line from wick to wick to show you that this is a second, if not third, higher low. So before I go ahead and we let the move happen, let's just get a trend line and going. And you can see that if I zoom out some, alright, let me see, get that off. In a minute, I want that to be as small as it possibly can. Alright, so yeah, boom. From wick to wick. Give me a minute. From wick to wick. Boom. But I want to take it up higher. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. There it is. From wick. Come all the way down here. Back out just a little bit. Back out just a little bit. From wick to wick. Boom. Back out just a little bit. Let me just take that direction. And price is going to come about here. Price is going to come about there. Hold up. Wait, one second. Oh. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Boom. It's aligned. It's not 100%, but the wick is there. You can see that motion is in a downtrend and has to continue the wick. It could break the wick now and be over that, and then it is what it is. But I honestly think that price is going to come back down. It's not nothing accurate. I'm just testing the strategy here, and you can see that it has to be what it has to be. So I'll pause it when the move is made, but for now, let's just wait. What's up, guys? Just showing you. Like I said, Euro USD. It was going to fall. It couldn't break the trend line. Now look. Couldn't break the trend line. It is going to fall. Right? On the 15. It's coming down. Look at it. Look at it. It's coming down. Look at it. Who doing this like this? It's coming down. Look at it. Look at it. It's coming down. It's coming down, boy. What you want? Tell me what you want. How much? How much you got? Sorry for the baby crying in the background. Look. The alert. Said Euro USD. Said Euro USD, right? 1 second. It's lit. Look. Like I said, it's lit. Oh. It's lit. It's going down to that take profit line. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Yeah, look. We up 260, 270, 280. Look at that. It's going to hit take profit level. 1 second. All right, we back. Sorry, I had to quiet my kid up. Like I said, it's going down to take profit level, man. It's going. You guys don't believe me? Look. I don't got no take profit level hit. It's going back. It's going back. Look. I told you it was going to hit the take profit level. Look, we up 350 right now. It's a demo account, but if I would have really had a 2 standard on this, I'd have really been straight. Look, if it crossed that line, I'm gonna take profit if it crossed that line. Nope. We're gonna take profit now. Look, 4. Cross that line. Boom, it's hitting take profit. This got to be news. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Look, it hit the line, right? Straight through. It's got to be news, boy. This got to be news, boy. Look at that. Then I said I was going to take profit. I'll take profit. Let it move again. I'll take profit. Weenie. Look at that. It hit the line just like I said it would, people. Because I knew that price was going to fall. Price could not break this trend line from wick to wick. Price could not break. And that, to no lie, that had to be news. Like if I even go to the daily, let me see. Let me go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, that was news. But like I said, it was overbought. So it had to come back down. And the fact that it came back down and I caught that on live, that's just amazing, people. I want y'all to understand that, like I said, my strategy is not 100%. It's still falling. Is this a daily candle? It's gone. It's gone. So let's look at the 1 minute, because that's where I got the entry from. 1 minute. 1 minute, it was in the oversold. That was news. That was news, guys. You see that? Just call all of that. Just call all of that on camera for y'all. So I hope y'all understand that not a lot of people can come do what I do. It's still going. It's still falling. I would have been in profit. Could have easily made $1,000. Easily. This is why I'm about to start up for the FTMO challenge, because ain't nobody's system is as accurate as mine. Look, I got 2 alerts. Super trend change direction, and we was in there. It's still going. We'd have been up, but you don't get greedy in this market. Look at that. 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we made $450. This is my demo account out of all that I've been had. I'm just showing you. I could scale my account all the way back to where I need to. Look, it's just starting to turn back around. But I hope you guys understand that and enjoy this video, because it was amazing shooting it for you guys. See? My strategy is accurate. But that had to be news. Let's go check. Let's go check. Euro USD 255. We're going to go check. I'm going to show you guys how to check news right quick. Go to Forex Factory. Alright. And that Forex Factory, when you come inside here, that was a Euro USD pair. So, today, it don't say it was news. It don't say it was news. I got all, let me see. More. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, there's no news today. So that had to been the live markets, baby. Look. Still falling. Still falling. Still falling. You could have entered on right here, right? Sorry. Come on. Come on. You could have entered right here. You had just about an engulfing candle here. And you had an engulfing candle here. Just about. Just about. You could have caught in anywhere, man. But I'm glad I showed you that it was coming back down, because it's still falling. Look how low. Look, I put my take profit level here. That would have easily been another $1,000, and it's still going. It's still going. You know why it's still going? Because the market is super oversold. Look, I'm gonna flip the phone. Look, we're in the 1 minute. We're in the 1 minute. Market was super oversold. If I come to the 15, you can see market was oversold, and it's been oversold for the longest. All right? Look how low it came down past my take profit level. We would have been in profits. It's only been 100 or so pips. I'll show you that from where I put my entry to where I took it. All right. Actually, it's almost a little under 200 pips. But good. I wanted to show you guys that that's how you make $450 in 20 minutes. That's how you do it. Less than 20 minutes. Less. So enjoy. Also, if you got gems from this video or you like to get anything, my course is down below in the description. On top of my training classes is down below in the description. On top of my Facebook group is down below in the description. So if you got any gems from this, feel free to like and subscribe to the video for more content. I hope that this video gave you anybody the encouraged to trade and to pick a strategy and to stick with it. All right, this is a process. You have to trust it. When it comes to being an entrepreneur, it's either you all in or you all out. Remember me saying that from a couple videos back. You have to be all in. You have to find a strategy that works. You have to stick to it. Like I said, if you got anything from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this video for more future content. Also, down in the comments below, let me know what was your favorite part of this video, or let me know anything that you got from this video that could possibly better your trading experience. And for many days to come, for many blessings to receive, you guys have been great to me. Stay blessed.